Let's take a look at the problem statement. So the problem statement here is that photography learners can't get personalized feedback on their photos, which because of these reasons is hard. First, the generic tutorials don't really address specific images. The forums are really slow and inconsistent, and the paid coaches are expensive and don't scale. And the rack systems are rather static and can't analyze photos or remember context. Problem, I decided to implement a multi-agent photography coach, leveraging a vision agent, a knowledge agent, and an orchestrator agent. The vision agent analyzes the uploaded photos, EXIF data, which is a proprietary digital format for images in a photo or in a camera or camcorder, sorry, and then Gemini Vision for composition issues. And then it sequentially feeds it to the knowledge agent, which then analyzes it based on Gemini Flash, analyzes the issue with the image and provides some coaching advices and tips and tricks, right? So the all this is managed via session management through an orchestrator agent, which takes care of the session memory, coordination, and then also SQLite persistence across restarts. So as you can see, this ecosystem is better than a monolithic LLM. In terms of architecture, as you can see, when you upload a photo, Vision Agent processes it, extracting the EXIF data and analyzing composition using Gemini Vision. It detects issues like centered subjects or poor depth of field. Then Knowledge Agent takes over using Gemini Flash to craft personalized coaching advice. The orchestrator coordinates everything, managing session state with SQLite for persistent conversation, survive app restarts, and context compaction handles 50 plus turn discussions without hitting token limits. Now let's jump into the demo. You need Google API key, which is free and easy to set up just within 30 seconds actually for doing this demo. So as you can see now I entered my Google. Let's ask a follow-up question. So the key here is that the orchestrator agent is preserving the context so that the knowledge agent can build off of the previous image and the analysis. And then it answers your follow-up question, like it remembers the EXIF data, right, which was like iPhone 16, and then it suggests this kind of corrections, right, or this kind of like flow. So yeah, this is basically the demo of the multi-agent photography coach. Hope you enjoyed it, and any feedback is welcome. Thank you so much again. Have a very nice day.